I'm currently trapped in Aruba. I've been in Aruba since Christmas, and because of the recent actions with the US and Venezuela, I'm trapped here till further notice. But you know what they say, when life gives you lemons, buy beauty products. So here are 3 things that I found here that I would not be able to find in North America. Because in Latin America, lots of categories like antiperspirants and sunscreens are cosmetics and not drugs, you have a lot more flexibility in terms of how you make those products. And the first thing I've found and I've fallen in love with is these jarred antiperspirants. I've only been able to find them from Speed Stick, but I'm sure other brands have them. It's just an antiperspirant, but it's in a jar. This has been super effective. It hasn't left like white residue in my underarms, but it's still the same active ingredient. And this is just a gorgeous product and I love it. I've brought so many to bring back home with me and I'm very, very excited about it. The second thing that I found is aloe gels with lidocaine. Obviously people associate, wound healing and soothing and calming with aloe, but by combining the aloe with a topical proven analgesic, it just makes that pain relieving effect that much stronger. The only thing that I found odd about these is that they do have US drug facts labels, even though they're manufactured here. So that I find kind of strange. These have been really, really nice. And the last thing is, of course, sunscreen. The Latin American regulations are somewhat similar to the EU, where sunscreen is a cosmetic and they have access to all the fancy filters. But also there are lots of imported sunscreens like Banana Boat and Hawaiian Tropic here. So obviously I ignored those and just got the things that are coming from Latin America. So these are all from Vivian Sun Pro. I know I'm saying that wrong. I got 3 body sunscreens. This totally separated like in the store and I didn't realize it until I bought it. So that's a shame. And I also got 3 face sunscreens. This antioxidant version with coenzyme Q10 is SPF 90. It's also a hybrid sunscreen, so it does leave a little bit of a cast on me. But then this ultralight textured one is totally chemical sunscreen, really, really nice. And like somewhat of a dewy finish. And then there's also an oil control mattifying version, which isn't that matte, but it is not greasy. It's more of a natural finish. If you want me to do try-ons of any of these, let me know and I absolutely will. That's everything that I've gotten. Hopefully by the time that you're seeing this, I am comfortably back home in Montreal. It's been an interesting vacation, that's for sure.